You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous French physicist from history. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting names from the history of science and French names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? For reference, in French it is said as Jean-Baptiste, silent P, Jean-Baptiste Perrin, Jean-Baptiste Perrin. So in English you could say it as Jean-Baptiste Perrin, Jean-Baptiste Perrin. From French, Jean-Baptiste Perrin, Jean-Baptiste Perrin. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. Subscribe to learn more, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.